In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to hear WhatsApp voice messages. So the first thing you're going to need to do is head over to the Settings app on your phone, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Apps. Using the search box at the top, type in WhatsApp, and then click on the application like so. From here, you want to make sure the microphone is turned on and enabled. And then once you've done that, you can head back over to WhatsApp and check if that's fixed your issue. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you'll need to do is head back over to the main settings page on your phone. And we're just going to scroll down and click on Bluetooth. And you want to make sure Bluetooth is turned off. Sometimes if you have Bluetooth on, it can end up connecting to one of your devices, and it can basically interfere with the WhatsApp voice messages. So once Bluetooth is turned off, once again check WhatsApp and check if that solved your issue. Now the next thing we're going to do if that's still not working is to head back over to the settings page, and this time scroll all the way down and click on Screen Time. Scroll down again and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure this option is turned off and disabled. Now another thing worth doing is closing out of any background applications. You can do this by scrolling up on your phone like this and then just sliding upwards to close out of each application. Now, if you have tried all of this and it's still not working, the last thing I would recommend doing is just restarting your phone. Sometimes something as simple as restarting your device can fix audio issues. And then you can head back over to WhatsApp, and that should have fixed any issues you were having with your voice messages. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.